If you look at this question, there is a set S where theta belongs from minus pi by 2 to plus pi. Is it okay? Minus pi by 2 to plus pi. And this is a complex number which is purely imaginary. So we'll call this particular complex number as Z. Purely imaginary means real part of Z should be equal to 0. Correct or not? What's the meaning of the word purely imaginary? Real part of that particular complex number should be equal to 0. So I can say Z is equal to 3 plus 2i sin theta divided by 1 minus 2i sin theta multiply by 1 plus 2i sin theta. Iota cannot occupy the denominator. 1 plus 2i sin theta. See, now I am only bothered of the real part now, okay? Whatever the denominator will be what? 1 minus 4i square sin square theta. Denominator will be this part. Because I am equating to 0, anything when it goes and multiplies with 0 also will become 0. So 3 into 1 will contribute to a real part. 3 into 1 will contribute to a real part. This part will not contribute to a real part. This part will not contribute to a real part, whereas this part will contribute to a real part. So that is nothing but plus 4i square sin square theta. Okay, theta, that is equal to 0. This implies to me that 3 minus 4 sin square theta should be equal to 0. Sin square theta should be equal to 3 by 4. So sin theta should be equal to plus or minus root 3 divided by 2. Now the question is asking you then the sum of elements in A. So A value will be equal to, see now, this part can be written as, this implies theta is equal to minus pi divided by 3 plus pi divided by 3, and it can be up to pi, right? So this is 2 pi by 3. So belongs to, what is it? Minus pi by 2 to pi, right? So what are the elements now? Minus pi by 3, comma, pi by 3, comma, 2 pi by 3. So what is the sum now? Sum is the question asked. Question is asking you to calculate what is the sum. So sum of elements of A, sum should be minus pi by 3 plus pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 3. So what is the answer that we get is equal to 2 pi by 3. Is the answer to the question. Minus pi by 3 and plus pi by 3 will get cancelled.